The small business plugin Anthropic just released contains 31 different skills that any business owner can set up within minutes, and it turns Claude into an operational data synthesizer for your business. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through what's inside of the plugin, how to set it up, and run 2 workflow live. But before you go and fire your bookkeeper or virtual assistant, I want you to know this might not be what you think it is. So stick with me to the end to hear my honest take on when to use this plugin and how to know whether this is the right setup for your business. Let's get into it. So here's what Anthropic released. It's called Claude for Small Business, and it's a plugin that lives inside Claude Cowork. Cowork is like Claude working inside a folder on your computer, actually doing stuff and saving files. And this plugin especially is just 31 skills bundled together. Once you install it, you get skills covering many operational areas in a small business. That includes payroll planning, month-end close, weekly briefs, invoice chasing. It's all in there. And before we go further, there are 2 terms you need to know. The first term is connector. Connector in Claude is basically a bridge between Claude and the app you already use. So think QuickBooks, PayPal, Stripe, HubSpot, Gmail. These are all connectors. The second term is a skill, which is basically the markdown file, which is literally a text file. So don't get intimidated by that. Skill file is now the gold standard for Claude to understand an instruction for any project. It tells Claude how to do one specific task really well. You probably want to think of this as almost like a recipe. Now to set this up, you want to open Claude desktop app, and I will leave the link in the description if you don't already have that downloaded. First, on the left sidebar, click on this checklist icon, and this will switch you from chat mode to Cowork mode. And then you want to pick a folder. I would recommend not pick your desktop. Make a fresh folder and call it maybe Claude Business or whatever you want. Everything Claude generates gets saved in there, so you want this to be organized in a separate folder from day one. Then click Customize, then Plugin, then Browse Plugin. From here, you should be able to find Small Business. It installs instantly, and you will see it on the left side where you can click into this to see every skill that now you have access to. And what I love about this format is you can click into these skill and go look at the text file, which is basically this step-by-step instruction. It's very easy to visually digest what's going on under the hood. Now, if you scroll down, you will see one specific skill called SMB-router. This one is really interesting. If you look at the instruction, this is why Claude can understand plain English. The router tells Claude how to trigger any skill from natural conversations. So you don't need to memorize the / commands for every skill. You just say what's on your mind. So let's say if you say, I'm stressed about making payroll, the router triggers the plan payroll skill. Plus your cash position, gives you the forecast the next 30 days and tells you whether you can cover it. If you say what's selling the best right now, it runs the sales brief skill already connected to your HubSpot. It then posts that to give you the detailed deep. So every one of these skill files can also be edited. So you see there's a edit icon on the top right. Now, the last thing is you want to make sure any software you use is connected under the connectors. You don't need every connector. Start with 2 or 3 or whatever that you want to set up. These connector, once enabled, they do consume a decent amount of tokens. Pro tip, once the connector is set up, you're not limited to these 31 skills. These skills cover the essentials, but if you want to go further, then this free resource, the Claude Cowork stack from HubSpot, is exactly what you need. It has 12 advanced prompts built specifically for Claude Cowork. They're built to handle the work that usually takes you hours or even days, all running in the background while you can stay focused on everything else. Like this marketing campaign builder, you give it your goal and point it at your brand folder, and it comes back with a complete campaign plan. Basically a week of agency work done while you can focus on other tasks. My favorite is the sales data analyzer, like where deals are getting stuck or which reps are underperforming, and it comes back with analysis, visualizations, and recommendations ready to present. Each prompt is easy to adapt to your own setups and workflow. I suggest you take a look at it. The link is in my description. Thank you, HubSpot, for sponsoring this video. Now, final step, once everything is installed, you just want to type /SMB Claude-onboard. This onboarding skill is going to help Claude understand your business, your pain points, and the tool that you already use. So it's going to ask you a series of questions, like interviewing you and understanding your business and what each tools are for. Now you're ready, and let's run something live together. So the first one I want to show you is the month-end close. I think this is one of the workflow every small business owner will get the most value out of it right away. And here's what happens under the hood. You have all your connectors pulling in live data. And then in terms of the skill steps, what it does is reconcile your QuickBooks transaction for the month and then pulls every settlement from your payment processor, matches them by amount and day within 2-day window, and it will surface any missing transaction. This auto reconciliation, I think, is a big game changer. Even inside of QuickBooks, sometimes I feel like it requires a little bit of manual attention. And then Claude will recommend an action. It will come back to you with its findings so then you can approve or provide additional information to make sense of these flagged transactions. Once everything is triaged, Claude will generate a P&L narrative that gives you a good synthesis of your data and then generates the close packets or your month-end close statement. It will give you an Excel workbook as well as a one-page PDF summary. So let's take a look at this live in Claude. In my case, I do not have QuickBook environment. All my bookkeeping actually lives inside of Google Sheet. So I tell Claude, this is my Google Sheet. I need you to reconcile with my Stripe data. And within minutes, you can see it produced this February close summary. It flagged items for follow-up, detected any variance, and also generated my month-end close document. And this works, remember, these skills are just text files, so it can adapt to the workflow to whatever data source you point it at. So by default, it assumes QuickBooks, but it's not locked to it. You can always chat with it and give it your specific data sources. The next skill we'll look at is handle complaint. So when you're tired, you see a complaint coming from your customer that is aggressive, I think this is the best way to let AI handle it because now it can have these back-end knowledge of this customer and it has all the context summary. Here's how it works. Again, you have all your connectors that is already set up. And then within the skill file, it does the following thing. You can either tell Claude the complaint is in a specific software, or you can just tell it where it is in your Gmail. And it's able to pull all your recent unresolved complaints and then identify the customer, their order info, what they're upset about. Claude can then searches every connected tool for that customer full history and gives you a context summary to draft a personalized message. Finally, Claude checks if this complaint matches a pattern and it will suggest a fix for you. If it is a one-off issue, it will also tell you that too. I just say to Claude, handle the recent complaint from Catherine. And you can see here, it gives me the customer contact summary based on the Stripe history. And Claude also looked at the order status and noticing that she is a first-time buyer. And now if I check the inbox, the draft is already sitting here ready to go. There are tons of other skills to explore inside of this plugin, and they're all in these easy to digest instruction files. However, I would describe the plugin as a retrieval agent and data synthesizer. It's not really an autonomous agent that can take action for you inside of these software. It's designed to help you understand your business, connect dots, and synthesize data across tools. However, in terms of automation of directly modifying, creating transaction record inside of these software are not native to these 31 skills. And depending on the connector, you might or might not even be able to do that. Let's say we take a look at the QuickBook connector here. You can see here you can read your books, run reports, import transaction, but you cannot create an invoice directly inside of QuickBook given the guardrail of this connector. If you want to, let's say, automatically create invoice for you and send out invoice PDF, those are going to require an end-to-end specific AI automation setup, most likely inside of Claude Code. That also requires a different set of authentication. Likely the connector itself will not allow you or give you access to do it. I hope that was helpful. Please leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you whether that was a good difficulty level, if there's anything else you would like to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one.